Hey Alfie, what are you planning to do today? Did you want to go outside again? I know, you always want to go outside, huh? I want to take you outside, Alfie. I want to let you roam around in nature and chase the birds, you know? You can do that, Alfie. You can chase the birds, you can run around. I know you can. But you gotta do it in my yard. You can't leave the yard. If you leave the yard, there's dogs, there's cars, there's all kinds of stuff, Alfie. You know what I mean? So if I let you out, you gotta stay close by. But you're always good, aren't you? You're a good cat.